12 unique health benefits of apple cider vinegar that you won't hear about from your doctor. Apple cider vinegar has become quite popular lately. It has been bribing those who are concerned about their health and figure. But you may be surprised to learn how long mankind has been using it for various purposes. Hippocrates, known as the father of medicine, used apple cider vinegar to treat a variety of ailments, from coughs to wounds. Since then, it has continued to be a popular remedy in home kitchens since the days of ancient Greece. In this video, we'll cover 12 great ways to use apple cider vinegar and explain why it should have a place in your kitchen. We'll also mention the possible side effects. Let's get started. 1. Antimicrobial action. This is an important aspect to note when discussing apple cider vinegar. Its antimicrobial activity is due to acetic acid, which is its key component. So what are its benefits? Studies have shown that acetic acid is effective against the fungus Candida albicans and Escherichia coli bacteria, which can cause serious intestinal infections. It also fights Staphylococcus aureus, the cause of skin infections. It is acetic acid that gives vinegar its characteristic sour taste. The acetic acid content of apple cider vinegar is approximately 6%. Unfiltered organic apple cider vinegar also includes what is known as the mother, which consists of proteins, enzymes, and beneficial bacteria that makes the product cloudy. Although scientific studies do not support this, many believe that it is the mother that is responsible for most of the vinegar's beneficial properties. Apple cider vinegar may contain some amino acids and antioxidants, but it does not have an abundance of vitamins and minerals. Second, getting rid of bad mouth odor. One of the first signs of the day is bad breath. Take comfort in the fact that we all have breath that isn't the freshest in the morning. That's why it's important to keep up with your dental hygiene. Go beyond brushing your teeth. Rinsing your mouth with apple cider vinegar in the morning is also beneficial. Morning odor is caused by Helicobacter pylori bacteria. The acetic acid mentioned earlier is effective against this strain. It is recommended to gargle your throat daily with a solution of apple cider vinegar and warm water. 3. Reducing blood glucose levels. This is an effective remedy to fight hyperglycemia, known as high blood sugar levels. 2 doses of 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar per day is enough, as it slows down the absorption of sugar and improves the body's sensitivity to insulin. According to one study, people who consumed apple cider vinegar 2 hours before bedtime saw their sugar levels drop by about 6%. One of the most compelling uses of vinegar today is in the treatment of type 2 diabetes. The main causes of elevated blood glucose levels that define this disease are insulin resistance and an inability to produce insulin. Some studies suggest that high sugar levels may be a leading factor in aging and the source of numerous chronic diseases, while maintaining normal sugar levels is beneficial to overall health. An effective method of sugar control is a balanced diet that limits processed carbohydrates and sugar. However, it has also been shown that apple cider vinegar can have a positive effect on glycemic index and oxidative stress in people with diabetes and lipid metabolism disorders, according to a 2019 study. Other meta-analyses indicate possible improvement in glycemic status in adults with vinegar consumption, but the authors caution that larger studies are needed to confirm these findings. It is important to remember that no one should replace medical care with unproven remedies, although drinking apple cider vinegar is often considered safe. 4. Promotes weight loss. It may seem surprising, but studies have confirmed that vinegar can promote weight loss. Human trials have shown that vinegar induces a feeling of fullness, which can lead to a reduction in the total amount of food consumed. In one experiment, overweight participants were offered 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar daily, and their weight dropped significantly within 12 weeks. The key component here is acetic acid. Other studies also note that apple cider vinegar helps prevent weight gain and speeds up fat burning by increasing metabolism. It can be used pure or diluted with water for a more pleasant flavor. You can also create a delicious cocktail by adding honey and lemon or use it to make original salad dressings. 5. Helps regulate blood pressure. Hypertension is a serious health threat, increasing the risk of stroke and cardiovascular disease. Apple cider vinegar is potentially effective in combating this condition. Studies, mostly on animals, show its ability to lower blood pressure as well as levels of renin, an enzyme that contributes to blood pressure. However, more research is needed to definitively confirm these findings. When used in moderation, apple cider vinegar is safe for health. 6. Prevents the occurrence of acne and pimples. Studies have shown that apple cider vinegar is effective in reducing pain and inflammation. Convincingly, the acetic acid and alpha-hydroxy acids in it help exfoliate and clear clogged pores. This improves skin texture and helps absorb excess fat. In addition, apple cider vinegar can dry up inflammation and remove dead cells. It also restores the skin's natural pH balance and can be used as a toner for problem skin. To do this, mix unfiltered apple cider vinegar with filtered water in a bowl. Apply the resulting solution on your skin using a cotton pad and leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. For best results, use it several times a day. 7. Improve skin health. Apple cider vinegar is often recommended for dry skin and eczema. Its slightly acidic reaction can help restore the natural pH and strengthen the skin's protective barrier. Alkaline soaps can aggravate eczema, while the antibacterial properties of diluted vinegar prevent infections associated with skin conditions. Apple cider vinegar is used as a toner or cleanser because of its anti-inflammatory and cleansing properties. Use a cotton pad with vinegar to gently wipe your face and then apply moisturizer. A doctor's consultation is recommended before using on children's skin, as well as allergy testing to prevent irritation. 8. Helps improve the condition of the scalp and hair. Apple cider vinegar helps prevent the buildup of dirt, waste, styling products, and even harmful chemicals on the scalp. These buildups can clog hair follicles, making it difficult for hair to grow. Due to its mild cleansing properties, apple cider vinegar is a great way to rinse the scalp and prevent further buildup. You can avoid dandruff with its help, as the acidity of vinegar is believed to suppress the Malassezia fungus that causes this ailment. This remedy can also help reduce hair loss. To use it, you need to mix equal parts of water and apple cider vinegar, apply it to wet hair, and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, gently massaging it into the scalp. It is recommended to carry out such a procedure at least twice a week, rinsing thoroughly afterward. 9. Promotes better heart health. Heart disease occupies one of the first positions among the causes of mortality. If you want to reduce your risk of heart attack, you should look into apple cider vinegar. Studies show that it reduces triglyceride levels, which increase the likelihood of cardiovascular disease by affecting different factors. Although many studies have been done on animals, there is evidence that vinegar can improve levels of HDL, the good cholesterol. Additional research is needed to draw more definitive conclusions. Apple cider vinegar is easy to add to your diet by using it in salads or homemade mayonnaise. It is recommended to start with small doses and gradually increase them. 10. Supports digestion and reduces acid reflux. Prebiotics, including those found in apple cider vinegar, provide food for the beneficial microorganisms already in your digestive tract. This helps maintain a balance of beneficial bacteria in your body. Apple cider vinegar aids in digestion, and in addition, studies show that using it 15 to 20 minutes before a meal can help with weight loss. It is recommended to choose only raw, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. 11. Eases sore throat. The acidic properties of apple cider vinegar help maintain an optimal pH level in the tissues, which prevents bacteria from multiplying in the throat. It also effectively neutralizes germs due to its antibacterial characteristics. In traditional medicine, apple cider vinegar is often used as an expectorant because it helps to thin the mucus in the lungs, making it easier to breathe. If you have a sore throat, try this solution. Mix apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, and honey in a glass of warm water. Gargle your throat with this remedy and take as needed. 12. Reduces belly fat. Animal studies have confirmed that acetic acid inhibits fat storage. In a 12-week study among overweight men, the results showed similar findings. Men who consumed vinegar rich in acetic acid experienced reductions in weight, visceral fat levels, body mass index, waist circumference, and blood triglyceride levels. It promotes a weight loss scheme by preventing fat storage by activating fat burning. Consumption of apple cider vinegar helps to improve digestion as it reduces the release of hunger hormones, which helps to avoid prolonged feelings of hunger. It is recommended not to exceed 2 teaspoons per day. Now that we have looked at the benefits, let's move on to the potential side effects. It can damage your teeth. Apple cider vinegar is highly acidic and excessive consumption can be harmful. To reduce the risk of damaging tooth enamel, it is advised to use a straw. One study showed that in just 4 hours of exposure to vinegar, a tooth loses up to 20% of its mineral content. It is recommended to rinse your mouth with water after ingestion. On the other hand, it can lead to decreased appetite, which sometimes causes acid reflux and digestive disorders, including nausea. Apple cider vinegar should be used sparingly and only in its organic, unfiltered form. And remember, it works best when combined with a healthy diet, especially a plant-based diet, because that's what most studies support. While we're on the subject of health benefits, many of us would like to know the secrets to living longer and younger. However, research shows that the key to longevity can be found in the foods we eat.